Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's learn with DA and what we are doing today. We are coloring the what we called her doll wearing bunny cap doll, right? Cute girl who is wearing a bunny cap. So as you can see, I am outlining, right? Outlining the whole pencil part with simple 5 rupees or 10 rupees pen, and this is also a very cute process. आप किसी बच्चे को बोल सकते हो, you can tell your childs to do this. Now it is done and I'm rubbing the extra pencil part. This is these are Faber-Castell watercolor pencils, and seriously says I love to color my drawings or cup paintings with this watercolor pencils. When you colored it, the magic will happen after applying the water on it. I am using it like a pencil colors, but after applying these colors you can use water on that, and when you apply the water you can see the magic happen. Oh my god, just wait for the process. Apply different colors on the different part. Royal on the shoes, royal color on the shoes, royal blue color on the shoes, oh god, brown on the kitty, yellow on the frog, purple on the coat, yellow and blue eyes, yellow color hairs and blue eyes. I love blue eyes and yellow color hairs, you know. मुझे डिज्नी प्रिंसेस मूवीज बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. आई लव डिज्नी प्रिंसेस मूवीज. नाउ सी द प्रोसेस. Now water is indicating the color, water is reacting with the color, and see the magic is happening. See, oh god. Now these watercolor pencil color give their actual color. When they are reacting with water, magic is happening. See, pencil color is reacting with the water, and this indication, this whole process is like a chemical reaction is happening. Watercolor is like these are become a solution. These colors are like very easily, or you can say dissolve with the water on the paper. Watercolor dissolve, these pencil colors are dissolved with the water and give its own color, give its vibrant color, you can say. See every color, even every color. Pink color is my favorite. Chemistry is happening here, है ना? Here is chemistry happening. Water is reacting with the color, and after reacting with the color it becomes like watercolor. See, just one hand, just one swash, you can say, swash with the water. Just pencil color react and become a watercolor, and their texture is very good. They are transfer proof. These colors are transfer proof. I'm putting watercolor here. Watercolor, white watercolor here. It is not looking, but now it's time for, after drying up the whole painting, I am using what is that, pencil colors, Faber-Castell pencil colors, to darken up or to give shades to my doll. These are the pencil colors. Okay, these pencil colors are also very vibrant. Wipe out the water left with some cotton or hand. Little yellow color on the hairs, blue on the eyes. You can use orange also, it will look very good. I don't use orange, I'm using yellow on the yellow, but you can use orange also for 3D look. It looks very good. Blue on the blues. Pencil colors give extra look on the painting. Color richness always increase the visibility, increase the look, increase the charm of the painting. So I need
whether
to
it is a cartoon painting or
remove it with my
real
hand.
life painting.
I didn't have the cotton.
I love drawing cartoons.
If you are facing that kind of problem,
If I will
have
get a chance
to take some
to
cotton
goes to
or
the past
cloth
or time
and
travel,
just what is that?
I will definitely
Just
start
जैसे तोलिया करता है यार क्या करता है? I don't
start doing the process
I don't
of
have
what
word in my mind.
start my career as a cartoonist.
If you have, please write down
As
on
I
the
said,
in the comment box.
love Disney princess movies.
I don't
So I
usually
love
speak
cartoons.
English in my home at my home,
Now
so that's why maybe there is a
time
grammatical
for
mistake.
outlining.
So correct me, no problem. I will try my best, and I will learn. I will learn by speaking. See this pencil colors give extra look, extra 3D looks to the painting or whatever you're drawing.
You can say original look to the
I'm coloring golden color
cartoons.
on the face.
Outlining make realistic look to the paintings.
Pen, it's permanent marker actually. Outline permanent marker, and here frills. When you outline with these markers or any sketch color, you can say, it looks extra vibrant. Painting looks extra vibrant or extra special. Now it's white ball jelly pen, white pen. You can have this pen on Amazon and all. This is cream color. This is like this is cream color है. ये कौन सा कलर होता है? Please मुझे बताना ये कौन सा कलर है. I don't know which color is this. I love to use these kind of colors on my paintings. It look again a 3D effect on my paintings. You can see purple के ऊपर yellow. Oh my god, it looks so good. And white portion with cream color. White दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था इसलिए मैंने cream कर दिया. This yellowish cream color. I don't know what we called this color. See pink के ऊपर ये little lines कितनी प्यारी लग रही है. See here my doll. I'm finishing up my finish. I am coloring this white portion with white pen, 10mm white pen, and if you like the process, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you, and thanks for watching.